good day all. This is Asa from Min's Trinkets and thank you very much for joining me. For today's episode, we are going to be doing really quick, really easy, really simple video. Just some colored paper with the gold edgings and some decorations. As usual, the video is really short. So stay with me and let's get started. Let me show you what I have here. This is pink paper with gold edged, blue, gold edge as well, and another pinkish reddish with gold edged, and I've added some decorations and embellishments in them, which you can add whatever you have. So let me show you how I did this. For this project, we will be using regular letter size paper that I've just cut in two, and I've just used a punch and just punched to the corner here just to give us a little different decorative edge. Now we're going to take each piece of paper and finger tear it. You've seen me do this before. Of course, if you have a ruler or any other medium that you think is best, go ahead and use it. However, I do think that the finger tear works really, really well and gives it that organic vintage feel, just like that. So continue tearing all your paper. Now we're just going to use some paint, watercolor paint, to color our paper. I'm using a very, very watered down light pink, and I'm going to color them in 3 different colors. I'm going to color them in pink, blue, and purple. So just continue doing this on the entire sheet until you get all the paint straight across and allow it to dry. Next, we're going to take some gold paint and place it right on the edges, our ripped page edges. Place some gold paint right on the ripped edges of our paper, and do this for all the pages right around. Now we're just going to add some simple decorations in our paper. Now I had done this previously. I'll just show you how I did it. I've used a green glitter pen and I'm just making some swirls and some little stars. And I am just going to place it right on top, and this is our finished one. And for this one, I had this previously. I'm using a gold blue metallic pen, and I'm just drawing out cute little butterfly right in the corner. And in this one, I'm just going to add a pink paper clip with a flower, and I've showed you how to make this in my previous video. Also for this one, I'm just going to use a stencil and stencil in the rose. For this, I'm going to add a bow made of twine, and I'm going to add 2 little appliques or beads or gemstones coming down to match with the blue butterfly. And these are our 3 quick and easy design colored paper with gold edge. I hope you have enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for joining me.